Special
Okay, numbers. Next. Okay, 1,
2,
2, 3. Ang 3 sa sign language is 3, not this one.
3,
3, 4. Palagyan mo ng 4. 5, 6. Okay. This is 6.
5,
Yung smallest finger and thumb. 6, 7, 8, 9. Pag sa ganito ang 10, wiggle ang thumb. 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next.
1, 2,
Let's go. Tama na ta. Next na. 11 to 19. Okay. Kung ang 6 din ano siya, ang 11, same hapon na itong gamiton na hand. But, lahi na po siya o movement pataas. Flip up. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15.
15,
Again? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 16. Ipitik yapon, pero sa 6 na ito mapitik-pitik. 16,
17, 18, 19,
Okay, 19 pa tanong. Sige, from 11 to 19. 11,
11,
13, 14,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20,
20, 20, up,
20.
20,
Okay. Bakit 21? 21. 22.
21,
Na, kamu na, kabalo naman mo parang 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 20, 30, 40. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
70, 80, 90,
100.
100,
So, what
100,
Okay, 100.
100,
200.
200,
300. 400. 500. 600.
700, 800, 900,
1,000.
1,000, 1,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000,
Ang 1 million, 1 letter M, wow, million.
million,
1 million. Million, ang ganda na siya. Ang 1 million, 1 letter B, million. 1 billion, ang trillion, 1 billion.
ay, trillion,
Again,
1 trillion,
30, 40, 50, 60,
70, 80, 90,
Kung formal siya na sign, yun 1 at C. But, ang mga deck, 100, 300, 400, 500, 600,
600,
800, 900. Atras. Kaya atras man yung C. Atras, sundan na ni mo diha, kabot, na